It's Thursday, April 28th, 2022. I'm at the Metrorail Transfer Station, Miami, Florida. We got train P644 arriving from Miami Airport, headed to Magnolia Park, just beyond West Palm Beach, Florida. Looks like an MPI, Motive Power Industries, Boise, Idaho built EMD powered locomotive. Sound like an EMD engine. I'll have to Google that road number. Might be cat powered. Up ahead is the CSX freight yard and the Amtrak Miami Hialeah passenger station. I'm staying in two private cars at the Miami station, the Caritas and the Cimarron River. We depart on the northbound Amtrak Silver Star Saturday to Washington Union Station, lay over there one night, and then the coupled to the Capital Limited to Chicago, arriving back in Chicago May 3rd. The Apricot
southbound train P641 boarding in approximately 10 minutes on track 1.
private car.
P641 en dirección hacia el sur se abordará en aproximadamente 10 minutos en Ferrocarril 1.
The private car trip is run by Apricot, American Association of Private Railroad Car Owners. And it is 7:03 p.m. Thursday, April 28th, 2022. Tri-Rail Metrorail Transfer Station, Miami, Florida. Over and out.